as a fabricator, when we're done installing a kitchen, we perform a 3-step process where we clean. So we use a data cleaner, clean the countertop, then we come back and we apply the sealer to protect the stone. Then what we do is we come back with our polish. And our polish, a lot of places out there always have cleaners, sealers. The polish is the wow factor. It puts a real nice shine on there, makes the countertop really smooth. So besides that extra protection that Lenny brought up, you can slide a ball right down the countertop. And that's our 3-step process. There are 2-in-1s in terms of cleaning and polishing. We have our clean and shine, which is a great convenience product because it does clean and it does polish. But also, if you need that deep cleaning, you want to use our daily cleaner. If you want that really high gloss, use our polish. Because when you start diluting it, you're diluting the polish, you're watering it down with the cleaner, and the same thing, you're diluting the cleaner when you're adding the polish element. So it's a great convenience product. I really recommend if you want that, company's coming over, a quick shine on the countertop, use the clean and shine. But if you're doing your deep cleaning, especially if you're going through the 3-step process, it's better to use those products.